Today we will learn about looping and graphics in Small Basic. While programming, there are situations when you have to repeat one or more statements a number of times. This can be done by using loops. Looping means repeated execution of statements for a fixed number of times. Let us know more. Small Basic was developed by Vijay Raji, a developer at Microsoft, in 2008, in response to an article written in September 2006 by David Brin called Why Johnny Can't Code. Let us understand the concept of loop with the help of an example. Suppose your instructor orders you to run and take 10 rounds of a ground to warm up. The very first step needed is to fix a starting point and then start running. On reaching the starting point again, you complete a round. Then you take the second round and so on. This way you keep track of the number of rounds until the process gets completed. Let's know the fact. In Small Basic, a file is saved with an extension .sb. In programming, this whole procedure involves setting a value by using a control variable and incrementing it until the process is completed. For example, let us say the control variable is c, which starts afresh from the starting number. This number is usually 0. When the first round is over, value of c becomes 1. After the second round, its value becomes c equals to c plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 equals to 2, and so on. This value has to be incremented every time the required process is repeated. After incrementing, the control variable counter is checked against the maximum limit on the number of the repetitions required. The advantage of using looping technique in programming is that it reduces the number of instructions and also the memory space. Let us know more. If we do not specify the increment or decrement statement in a loop, it becomes an infinite loop. An infinite loop executes a statement block infinite number of times. Small Basic provides two types of loops, which are for loop, while loop. Let's first talk about for loop. When we use multiple counters in large programs, it makes the process quite tedious. The process of repeating a program segment in a loop can be simplified and controlled by using the looping statement. The for loop is used when a group of statements are to be executed a specific number of times. It also reduces the length of a program. The syntax is for control variable equals to initial value to final value. And for example, write a program to print first 10 natural numbers on the screen. For a equals to 1 to 10. Text window dot write line bracket in a bracket close. End for. Explanation. In the first statement, initially the control variable a is assigned the start value 1. It keeps track of the number of iterations. The computer checks whether the value of variable a is less than or equal to the end value 10. If the condition is true, the statements between for and end for get executed. Then the value of variable a is incremented, that is, increased by 1. The computer again checks the value of variable a against the maximum limit, that is, the final value. If the value of the control variable exceeds the final value, the control comes out of the for and end for looping statement. Let us know more. A control is a variable that controls and counts the iteration of a loop in a program. It increases with each iteration of a loop in a program. A control needs two things in order to function. Number 1, an initial value. Number 2, an incremental value. The initial value is usually 0 and must be located outside the loop. The incremental value tells the program what is to be counted by and must be located inside the loop. Example. Write a program to print the table of 12 up to 5 times only. Text window dot write line, bracket in, double quote in, table of 12, double quote close, bracket close. Number equals to 12. For A equals to 1 to 5. Text window dot write line, bracket in, double quote in, 12 into, double quote close, plus A plus double quoted equal to double quote close, plus 12 into A, bracket close. And for. Output. Example. Write a program to print the series of numbers by incrementing the gap between consecutive numbers. N equals to 0 for A equals to 1 to 10. N equals to N plus A. Text window dot write line, bracket in, N, bracket close. And for. Output. Let us know more. An accumulator is a variable that stores the sum of the numbers entered during the execution of a loop. For example, sum equals to sum plus n. An accumulator must have both the initial value and an incremental value. It keeps on adding total of numbers during successive passes through a loop. Example. Write a program to print the sum of first n natural number. N equals to 0. For A equals to 1 to 10. Text window dot write line, bracket in A, bracket close. N equals to N plus A. And for. Text window dot write line, bracket in, double quote in, the sum of numbers is, colon, double quote close, plus N, bracket close. Output. For with step statement. If you want to increase or decrease the variable value other than 1, you can use the step command in the for statement. Step value is an optional statement which may be either a positive or a negative value. Consider the following program. Example. Write a program to print the numbers with an increment of 3. For A equals to 1 to 20, step 3. Text window dot write line, bracket in A, bracket close. And for. The step value can also be a negative number. In this case, the start value is greater than or equal to the end value. Consider the following example. Example. Program to print numbers with a decrement of 3. For A equals to 20 to 1 step minus 3. Text window dot write line, bracket in A, bracket close. And for. Example. Program using a decimal number as the step value. For A equals to 1 to 10, step 1.5. Text window dot write line, bracket in A, bracket close. And for. Now let's talk about while loop. The while loop is used when the loop count is not known beforehand. It is determined by the result of the specified condition. The condition given after while evaluates to either true or false. The while loop repeats the instructions until a given condition is true. As the condition becomes false, the loop terminates. The syntax is while condition, curly braces in, statements, curly braces close, and while. Let us know more. The All Apps option has been omitted in the Windows 10 Anniversary Edition. Now you can look for various applications directly by clicking the Start button. Example. Write a program to print first 10 numbers with a gap of 10. A equals to 10. While bracket in A is smaller than equal to 100, bracket close. Text window dot write line, bracket in A, bracket close. A equals to A plus 10. End while. Explanation. In the above given program, the value of variable A is set to 10, so the condition is true when the loop starts. Every time, the value of variable A is increased by 10 when the loop executes. The loop stops after it runs the program 10 times because the value of A becomes larger than 100. Let us know more. Runtime is the period during which a computer program is being executed. Example. Write a program to display the series where every succeeding number is half of its preceding number. Text window dot write line, bracket in, double quote in, enter the number, colon, double quote close, bracket close. Number equals to text window dot read number, parenthesis. Text window dot write line, bracket in, double quote in. The series will be double quote close, bracket close. While bracket in number is greater than 1, bracket close. Text window dot write line, bracket in number, bracket close. Number equals to number slash 2. And while. Let us take a quick quiz. Which function key is used to run the small basic program? Now we will talk about subroutine. Subroutines are used in those cases where we have to execute the same steps over and over again. They help us in reducing the code in large programs by forming a group of the repeated parts of the program code. A subroutine is also called package of statements. You can write subroutines anywhere in your program. Thus, we can say, subroutines is a piece of code within a large program that performs a specific task and can be called from anywhere in the program. Subroutines are identified by a name that follows the sub keyword and are terminated by the end sub keyword. The syntax is sub, name of the subroutine, statements, and sub. Example. Write a program to find the maximum of two numbers. Text window dot write, bracket in, double quote in, enter the first number, colon, double quote close, bracket close. Number 1 equals to text window dot read number, parenthesis. Text window dot write, bracket in, double quote in, enter the second number, colon, double quote close, bracket close. Number 2 equals to text window dot read number, parenthesis. Find max, parenthesis. Text window dot write line, bracket in, double quote in, maximum number is, colon, double quote close plus maximum, bracket close. Sub find maximum. If bracket in number 1 is greater than number 2, bracket close, then maximum equals to number 1. Else maximum equals to number 2. And if example. Write a program to find the factorial of a given number. N equals to 5, factorial, parenthesis. Text window dot write line, bracket in, n plus double quote in, exclamatory sign equal to double quote close plus f, bracket close. Subfactorial. F equals to 1. For I equals to 2, to n. F equals to f into I. And for and sub. Let me tell you about graphics. Small Basic is not only designed to display text and alphanumeric output, but it can also be used to display colorful graphics and generate different sounds. With the help of graphic statements, you can draw various types of figures, design patterns in different colors and styles. In this chapter, we will learn how to use Small Basic programs to display shapes and designs, as well as play musical notes. Graphics window. The graphics window is made up of tiny dots called pixels. The combination of more than one pixel together makes an image. The graphics window displays designs and graphic patterns on the screen. A good number of pixels assure better display of graphics. Before we proceed with making beautiful graphics, let us understand the display characteristics of graphics window. It is divided into X and Y coordinates. By default, the graphics window is 624 pixels wide X and 444 pixels high Y. Each pixel can be represented by X and Y coordinates. At the top left corner, the X and Y coordinates are 0, 0. The X coordinate increases from left to right and the Y coordinate increases from top to bottom. Let us know more. The amount of pixels per unit area on the screen is called its resolution. Graphics window object. The graphics window object provides graphics-related input and output functionality. It is used to draw shapes, lines, and text in many colors. Following are the properties of graphics window with their default value. Properties. Explanation. For example, width. Sets the width of the graphics window. The default width of graphics window is 624. Graphics window dot width equals to 500. Height. Sets the height of the graphics window. The default height of graphics window is 444. Graphics window dot height equals to 400. Title. Sets the title for the graphics window. The default title is Small Basic. Graphics window dot title equals to double quote in graphics program double quote close. Background color. Sets the background color of the graphics window. The default background color of the graphics window is white. Graphics window background color equals to double quote in red double quote close. Pen color. Sets the color of the pen used to draw shapes on the graphics window. Default pen color is black. Graphics window dot pen color equals to double quote in green double quote close. Pen width. Sets the width of the pen used to draw shapes on the graphics window. Default size is 2. Graphics window dot pen width equals to double quote in 3 double quote close. Brush color. Sets the color of the brush used to fill shapes drawn on the graphics window. Default color of the brush is slate blue. Graphics window dot brush color equals to yellow. Let's understand how to write fancy text for graphics output. Draw text. You have been introduced to the write method in the previous class that can display numbers as well as strings as an output to the text output area. The draw text method allows you to display the text and numbers on the graphics output area at the specified location. The position of the text can be specified by the X and Y coordinates. The syntax is draw text, bracket in X, comma, Y, comma, text, bracket close. In this statement, text represents the string. To print the window and the point X, Y is where the string will be located. The string will be drawn in the graphics window using the default brush and the default font. For example, draw text, bracket in 5, 5, double quote in kips, double quote close, bracket close. This method uses the brush color, not the pen color. Text is drawn like other graphics objects. Example, write a program to display text on graphics window. Graphics window dot background color equals to double quote in yellow double quote close. Graphics window dot font name equals to double quote in Arial double quote close. Graphics window dot font size equals to 56. Graphics window dot font bold equals to double quote in true double quote close. Graphics window dot pen color equals to double quote in red double quote close. Graphics window dot height equals to 600. Graphics window dot width equals to 500. Graphics window dot draw text bracket in 100, 100, double quote in text double quote close bracket close. The draw text method has the following properties. Properties: explanation, for example, font name. This argument includes the system font name. The default font value is Tahoma. It sets the font on the graphics window. Graphics window dot font name equals to double quote in Arial double quote close. Font size sets the height of the text. The default font size is 12. Graphics window dot font size equals to 10. Font bold. It can be set either true or false. The true value formats the font in bold. The default value is true. Graphics window dot font bold equals to double quote in true double quote close. Font italic. Like the previous method, this method also contains two values. The true value formats the font in italic. The default value is false. Graphics window dot font italic equals to double quote in true double quote close. Let us know more. In Small Basic, colors can be defined in 3 different ways. Using predefined color names. Example: graphics window dot brush color equals to red. Using a hex value code. Example: graphics window dot brush color equals to double quote in hash FF0000 double quote close. By setting RGB red, green and blue components. Example: graphics window dot get color from RGB bracket in 255, 0, 0 bracket close. Let's learn graphics window methods. Draw line. The draw line method draws a line 1 pixel wide using the default pen color from one point x1, y1 to another point x2, y2. The syntax is graphics window dot draw line x1, y1, x2, y2, where x1 and y1 represents the starting point and x2, y2 represent the ending coordinates of a line drawn on the graphics window. For example, graphics window dot draw line 60, 50, 150, 50. Example: write a program to draw a line in the graphics window. Graphics window dot title equals to double quote in graphics window double quote close. Graphics window dot pen color equals to double quote in black double quote close. Graphics window dot draw line bracket in 10, 200, 250, 200 bracket close. Example: write a program to display the use of line and color statement. Graphics window dot pen color equals to double quote in blue double quote close. Graphics window dot draw line bracket in 160, 10, 100, 50 bracket close. Graphics window dot pen color equals to double quote in green double quote close. Graphics window dot draw line bracket in 160, 10, 220, 50 bracket close. Graphics window dot pen color equals to double quote in cyan double quote close. Graphics window dot draw line bracket in 100, 50, 220, 50 bracket close. Graphics window dot pen color equals to double quote in red double quote close. graphics window dot draw line, bracket in 100, 50, 100, 120, bracket close. Graphics window dot pen color equals to double quote in purple, double quote close. Graphics window dot draw line, bracket in 100, 120, 220, 120, bracket close. Graphics window dot pen color equals to double quote in orange, double quote close. Graphics window dot draw line, bracket in 220, 120, 220, 50, bracket close. Example. Write a program to draw multiple lines of different width in different colors using for loop. Graphics window dot title equals to double quote in multiple lines, double quote close. Graphics window dot background color equals to double quote in white, double quote close. Graphics window dot width equals to 325. Graphics window dot height equals to 200. For I equals to 1 to 15. Graphics window dot pen color equals to graphics window dot get random color parenthesis. Graphics window dot pen width equals to I. Graphics window dot draw line, bracket in I into 20, 20, I into 20, 180, bracket close. And for. Example. Program to draw a horizontal base. Graphics window dot title equals to double quote in isosceles triangle, double quote close. Graphics window dot background color equals to double quote in cyan, double quote close. Graphics window dot pen color equals to double quote in red, double quote close. Graphics window dot draw line, bracket in 160, 30, 250, 180, bracket close. Graphics window dot draw line, bracket in 250, 180, 70, 180, bracket close. Graphics window dot draw line, bracket in 70, 180, 160, 30, bracket close. Let us see the working of the program. The statement draw line 160, 30, 250, 180 will draw a line with the starting point at A 160, 30 and the ending point at B 250, 180. By using the statement draw line 250.180.70.180 bracket close, we will draw a line with the starting point at B 250, 180 and the ending point C 70, 180. Finally, we will join the point C with the point A by writing the statement draw line, bracket in 70, 180, 160, 30, bracket close. Okay, note that now try to make different types of triangles by changing the value of x and y coordinates in the line statement. Draw ellipse. The draw ellipse command draws an ellipse of specific height and width around a specified point. The syntax is graphics window, draw ellipse, x, y, w, h. The coordinates x and y specify the position of the starting point of the ellipse. The coordinates w and h specify width and height respectively of the ellipse at x, y coordinate on the screen. For example, graphics window, draw ellipse, bracket in 60, 50, 150, 50, bracket close. To fill the ellipse with a color, you can use the fill ellipse method with the same parameters as you specified in the draw ellipse. Specify the color by using the brush color property of the graphics window object. If you do not specify a fill color with the brush color property, the shape is filled with the default slate blue color. Let us know more. A brush is like a white pen used to fill areas with a color. It has a single property, color. To set the brush color, use graphics window dot brush color equals to double quote in color double quote close. Example. Program to draw a colored circle. Graphics window dot title equals to double quote in. This is circle double quote close. Graphics window dot background color equals to double quote in yellow double quote close. Graphics window dot pen color equals to double quote in black double quote close. Graphics window dot pen width equals to 3. Graphics window dot draw ellipse bracket in 70, 60, 150, 150 bracket close. Graphics window dot brush color equals to double quote in green double quote close. Graphics window dot fill ellipse bracket in 70, 60, 150, 150 bracket close. Example. Program to draw a circle within a circle. Graphics window dot background color equals to double quote in yellow double quote close. Graphics window dot brush color equals to double quote in orange double quote close. Graphics window dot draw ellipse bracket in 0, 2, 250, 250 bracket close. Graphics window dot fill ellipse bracket in 0, 2, 250, 250 bracket close. Graphics window dot brush color equals to double quote in red double quote close. Graphics window dot draw ellipse bracket in 50, 50, 150, 150 bracket close. Graphics window dot fill ellipse bracket in 50, 50, 150, 150 bracket close. Note, when you draw a circle with draw ellipse command, specify the same value for the width and height of the ellipse. Draw rectangle statement. The draw rectangle command is used to draw a rectangle on the graphics window by using the current pen color. It takes 4 numeric parameters separated by commas. The top left corner of the rectangle is specified by its XY coordinates, that is by the first 2 numbers. The next 2 numbers specify the width and height of the rectangle. The syntax is draw rectangle, X, Y, width, height. For example, draw rectangle, bracket in 5, 5, 200, 200, bracket close. Let us know more. To fill rectangles and ellipses with the current brush color, use fill rectangle and fill ellipse methods. These methods accept the same arguments as draw rectangle and draw ellipse respectively. Example. Program to draw a face with rectangles. Graphics window dot brush color equals to double quote in green double quote close. Graphics window dot draw rectangle bracket in 0, 0, 299, 299 bracket close. Graphics window dot fill rectangle bracket in 0, 0, 299, 299 bracket close. Graphics window dot brush color equals to double quote in black double quote close. Graphics window dot draw rectangle bracket in 100, 200, 100, 25 bracket close. Graphics window dot fill rectangle bracket in 100, 200, 100, 25 bracket close. Graphics window dot brush color equals to double quote in black double quote close. Graphics window dot draw rectangle bracket in 75, 75, 50, 50 bracket close. Graphics window dot fill rectangle bracket in 75, 75, 50, 50 bracket close. Graphics window dot draw rectangle bracket in 175, 75, 50, 50 bracket close. Graphics window dot fill rectangle bracket in 175, 75, 50, 50 bracket close. Example. Program to draw a rectangle with circles inside it. Graphics window dot brush color equals to double quote in blue double quote close. Graphics window dot draw rectangle bracket in 7, 7, 250, 250 bracket close. Graphics window dot fill rectangle bracket in 7, 7, 250, 250 bracket close. Graphics window dot brush color equals to double quote in red double quote close. Graphics window dot draw ellipse bracket in 50, 50, 150, 150 bracket close. Graphics window dot fill ellipse bracket in 50, 50, 150, 150 bracket close. Graphics window dot brush color equals to double quote in yellow double quote close. Graphics window dot draw ellipse bracket in 73, 73, 105, 105 bracket close. Graphics window dot fill ellipse bracket in 73, 73, 105, 105 bracket close. Graphics window dot brush color equals to double quote in yellow green double quote close. Graphics window dot draw ellipse bracket in 93, 93, 63, 63 bracket close. Graphics window dot fill ellipse bracket in 93, 93, 63, 63 bracket close. Graphics window dot brush color equals to double quote in purple double quote close. Graphics window dot draw ellipse bracket in 113, 113, 25, 25 bracket close. Graphics window dot fill ellipse bracket in 113, 113, 25, 25 bracket close. Draw triangle. Draw triangle statement is used to draw a triangle using the selected pen. The syntax is draw triangle x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. For example, graphics window dot draw triangle bracket in 100, 100, 50, 180, 350, 250 bracket close. The three pairs of x, y coordinates specify the 3 points of the triangle. Example. Program to draw a triangle on graphics window. Graphics window dot title equals to double quote in triangle double quote close. Graphics window dot background color equals to double quote in sand double quote close. Graphics window dot pen width equals to 3. Graphics window dot pen color equals to double quote in black double quote close. Graphics window dot draw triangle bracket in 200, 50, 50, 180, 350, 250 bracket close. Graphics window dot brush color equals to double quote in gold double quote close. Graphics window dot fill triangle bracket in 200, 50, 50, 180, 350, 250 bracket close.